Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Gadgets. Gadgets. This is a digital scale. This is a tablet computer. This is an MP3 player. This is a hoverboard. This is a smartphone. This is a virtual reality headset. These are headphones. This is a drone. Extension, questions and answers. It's a thing to measure your health. What is it? Yes, it's a digital scale. It's a thing that flies in the air. What is it? You got it. It's a drone. It's a thing to listen to music with. What is it? You got it. It's an MP3 player. It's a thing to enter a new world. What is it? Well done. It's a virtual reality headset. It's a thing that moves you around. What is it? Nice. It's a hoverboard. It's a thing to write email. What is it? Yes, it's a tablet computer. It's a thing to shoot videos. What is it? Yep, it's a smartphone. It's a thing that others can't hear. What is it? That's right, they are headphones. Okay, great job. And please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And check those boxes to get my notifications. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.